Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. So today we're going to be looking at how I like to clean my sterling silver finds, and we're going to look at this beautiful ring which I found at the weekend in an Age UK store for £2.50. Now I know that it's sterling silver because it has a 925 mark just here on the band. If you'd like to know more about silver markings, I'm going to drop a link just up here to my silver marks video. So this is how I like to clean my silver. I'm sure there's other ways of doing it, but I thought you might be interested to see how I do mine. So let's crack on. So first of all, I just prepare a little dish of warm water, and then I like to add a bit of just hand gel, just hand soap. This is an antibacterial one. Make sure it's super clean. Let's just mix that in. A little bit more. And then we're just going to give it a really nice clean in this water. So I like to use an old toothbrush. A baby toothbrush works really nicely because it's got soft bristles, and I'm just going to pick up some of that soap there and really get in between all of the cutout bits. I can see it's already starting to sparkle. Okay, so rinse that off. Dry. Now if I was at the sink I would obviously just rinse that off, but that's fine. You see it's already starting to come up beautifully. And then for my final step, I just take a basic silver polishing cloth. If you don't have one of these, they're really easy to get hold of, and I'll drop a link down in the description below as well. All we do is rub it across. You see it's starting to really gleam. Now, if this had gone into the charity shop looking like this, I suspect they probably wouldn't have priced it at £2.50. They probably would have put it in their cabinet and charged a bit more for it. I'm just going to do a little bit on the back too, so it's clean all round and shiny all round. And it's done. Simple as that. Shall we see how it looks? Oh, doesn't fit that finger. Absolutely stunning. Have you got any silver tips? Do let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.